Greetings, esteemed seekers of wisdom, to another episode of the Lilly Lectures, where we explore the intriguing world of horary astrology from my book, Christian Astrology. I am your guide, William Lilly, and today we explore the fascinating realm of professions, trades, and expertise through the lens of astrological guidance. In cases where country people do not have the exact birth time of their children, but still desire to know the most suitable profession for them, they can seek the guidance of an astrologer. When the question is asked, the astrologer erects a figure based on that time and considers the ascendant and its lord, the lord of the 10th house, and the 10th house itself, as well as the positions of Mars and Venus. These planets serve as significators for trade, profession, or expertise. If Mars or Venus is more powerful, observe in which sign they are located. If they are in Aries, consider the 4 angles. If there is a planet in any of these angles, and it is in a fire sign or has the nature of Aries, it suggests that the child will excel in professions such as cart-making, coach-making, shepherding, cattle-dealing, grazier or drover, horse-related occupations, groom, master of horse, farrier, or trades involving fire like butchery, brick-making, or blacksmithing. If Mars has any dignity in the significator's placement or the Sun's placement, it indicates excellence in any profession where fire is used or is of its nature. If the significator is in its exaltation, it is considered unfortunate for the child to pursue servile trades as mentioned above. Instead, they may fare better by serving the king, a nobleman, or a gentleman. Similar considerations can be made for the other signs representing different shapes of 4-footed animals or water-related matters. To provide specific examples, if the significator is in Taurus, the child may excel in professions related to husbandry, tree planting, gardening, buying and selling grain, grazing cattle, oxen, cows, sheep, hogs, or trades related to women's matters or housewifery such as soap-making, cloth-fulling, or whitening. If the significator is in Gemini, the child may do well as a scrivener, clerk, arithmetician, rent collector, bailiff, geometer, surveyor, astronomer, astrologer, or painter. If the significator is in Leo, the child may excel as a serving man, in trades involving fire or hot objects, as a huntsman, a cow or cattle healer, a rider or horse trader, a smith, watchmaker, or glassmaker. If the significator is in Virgo, the child may succeed as a secretary to a king or nobleman, a schoolmaster, accountant, stationer, printer, politician, astrologer, or possess a divining soul. If the significator is in Libra, the child may excel as a poet, orator, singer or musician, silk merchant or linen draper, pedagogue, or someone involved in the redemption of captives. If the significator is in Scorpio, the child may become a skilled surgeon, apothecary, physician, brazier or founder, brewer, vintner, waterman, or maltster. If the significator is in Sagittarius, the child may excel in buying and selling cattle, studying alchemy, pursuing a religious profession, or becoming a good cook or baker. If the significator is in Capricorn, the child may excel as a chandler, victualler, farrier, cow leech, jeweler, farmer, wool dealer, lead dealer, or in trading country commodities or being a good husbandman. If the significator is in Aquarius, the child may become an excellent ship carpenter. If any planet outside of the water sign aspects the significator, the child may become an excellent sailor, shipmaster, ship trimmer, or ship painter, or an industrious merchant. If the significator is in Pisces, the child may become a jester, singer, gamester, brewer, or fishmonger. However, in most cases like these, the child's genius tends to be dull, and they may tend to be more foolish. And that ends this lecture for today. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of astrology's profound insights into the intricate tapestry of life. Until then, may the celestial energies guide your path. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.